Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm excited to getting into the hottest topics of the tech interviews, understanding differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Let's get started. Let's get started. So, uh, like the interview asked, like, what is the differences? Like, can you just give me the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? So imagine you are in an interview. Interview asks this. Can you explain differences between AI, ML, and deep learning? So now we will be gonna break it down in this simple, everyday. Every person should understand this particularly. So how you should explain it, that is also one particular skill set as well. So let's get straightforward into it. So let me show you a couple of things. Okay, so yeah, let me take this particularly. Okay, so first of all, think of AI as an umbrella term. Okay, think of this. AI is an umbrella term. Okay, AI is an okay AI is an umbrella term that enables that computer to mimic human behavior. It's like a machine, very basic form of an intelligence, from playing a chess to making a decisions, uh, normally requires human smarts. So now, what is an ML basically? ML is nothing but a subset of an AI. Consider this is an AI. ML is a subset of AI, right? So previously, which we have explored, this is a particular thing like how you can explain to interview. Now, ML is a subset of AI. It's all about building the models, right? That all computer learn from a data. Instead of hard coding every single decisions, we train the computer with an example, so it learns patterns and makes prediction. Imagine you are teaching a child recognize animals by showing them countless pictures. Consider like this way, like when you are in a when you were a kid, so what your parents would have done, like this is an apple, this is a red color, this is characteristic something. Your parents is differentiating, correct? So you are telling this is an object which is red in color, this is a particular which has a like this kind of a branches is also it is happening, right? So like there is a sticker, if this is not an original kind of an apple, that is coming like exported quality or something like that, right? So like you are trying to picturize, visualize to the child, like this is a particular thing is all about. So this is what the machine learning is all about. The interviewer wanted to understand how you can explain it in very simple and layman terms. Okay, so another thing we'll try to understand about a deep learning. Deep learning is also a specialized part of a machine learning itself, that is a DL. Okay, inside DL there is a machine learning, there is a DL, where DL is a specialized part of an ML. It is called as neural network. So which is inspired by our human brains, which is called as neurons. Deep learning is like a given a computer that ability to make sense complex patterns in a huge amount of data. Think of it as a brain power behind self-driving cars or voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, what not, whatever the examples you can take it. Okay, so this is a particular thing now. So now let's take together. Now interviewer wants to know like what are the possible use case you can draw it down. So now let's take a use case that ties concept together. So you have a smart assistance app that helps you schedule meetings. Okay, So that will be helping you to the schedule the meetings, right? Setting the reminders. AI is an app. AI in this app manages overall smart behavior. So it helps what task to offer, when to judge you, to book an appointment, and ML comes into the play by analyzing your past behavior, your meeting patterns, your preferred time, etc., to make a better decisions, suggestions over a time. Deep learning might be understand the process of voice commands. Okay, you gave the voice commands here. Okay, voice commands you given VC. Okay, so it process more accurately. It does by learning the nuances of your speech patterns, even understanding of the context of your words, like how you would train a new employee, exposing to the various scenarios repeatedly, right? So like interviewer might now understand about can you explain in layman terms core differences between AI, ML, and deep learning? Absolutely. You will be gonna answer like absolutely. It is like think of it this way. AI is like an entire toolbox of a techniques that gives the computer way of a performing a task that required human intelligence. ML is a toolbox that allows the computer to learn and examples over it without being explicitly programmed. Okay, so deep learning is a one of the important tool if you have given lot of data, right? Lot of data, lot of scenario has been given to you. So what you do for in this case? So what you will do? You will use neural networks that mimic your human brain structure to solve the particularly complex problems, like a speech recognition, image processing. Okay, so in an interview you might also ask how these concepts apply practically. For instance, knowing that while AI is overarching concepts, ML is specifically, and deep learning is an integrated technical approaches, how it is advancing the applications, right? So that to wrap up, AI is a broad goal of making machines smart. Okay, so machine learning is our method of teaching them with the data. Okay, deep learning is an advanced way of taking tough problems using neural networks. If you find this explanation or a topics you would like to cover in future session, thanks for watching. Happy learning.